Party Ready Beauty, everything you need for your New Year's Eve makeup look. I'm Lanique, a beauty expert here at JCPenney, and in this episode, we're welcoming in the new year with a bang. New Year's Eve is one of the best times of year to glam up and take our looks above and beyond. When it comes to New Year's Eve makeup, think bold, vibrant lips, dramatic lashes, and a smooth foundation. For most of us, this is a night of parties, epic countdowns, and the promise of a fresh start. But, like any event, there are a few makeup setbacks you might run into. Thankfully, we've got some great stuff to share to help you avoid those issues and have a worry-free night. Today, we're going to be covering some of the longest lasting and most glamorous products we've got here at JCPenney Beauty. We'll be sharing one of our favorite lipsticks from Raina Rebelled in some bold, highly pigmented shades. We've also got an amazing lash solution for you. It's the Velour Lashes Effortless Kit that will absolutely change the way you look at fake lashes. And of course, no look is complete without a go-to foundation. So we'll give you a glimpse at a favorite of ours from RMS Beauty. With these products, you'll be walking into the new year with confidence. So grab your confetti, your party hat, and let's get started on the perfect New Year's Eve look. We're about to jump into a lot of info. So if you're looking for something specific, you can check out the chapters at the bottom. The first issue we're tackling today is what we call the Midnight Disappearing Act. Maybe you start your night with a fierce, bold lip color, but as the night goes on, your stunning lip shade starts to disappear. 1 minute, you've got the perfect pout. The next, you're left with a faded trace of color that you won't want in your first picks of the new year. Enter our first product, a hydrating, long-lasting lip color. We're talking about the bold lip color stick from Raina Rebelled. These lipsticks bring you intense, stay-put color without the drying effect. They're like the marathon runners of lip colors. They go the distance and manage to keep your lips supple and hydrated while they do it. One of our favorite shades for a vibrant New Year's Eve look is Brava. This stunning red shade screams confidence, festivity, and pure fire. Our other must-have is Fresa. It's got a lush pink hue that's perfect for anyone wanting a playful, flirty touch. Both will give you a full coverage, high pigment satin finish that will last through the night. But before you apply any of these gorgeous shades, it's important to remember that great lip color starts with great lip care. NCLA Beauty's Sugar Lip Scrub is the perfect pregame for your lips. It buffs away any dry, flaky skin and leaves you with lips that are smooth, hydrated, and primed for color. We're calling the next issue on this list the Lash Catastrophe. False lashes are an amazing way to add some drama to your look, but sometimes it feels like applying them is a nightmare. You can end up with glue where you didn't want it and lashes sticking to fingers. And let's not forget that rogue lash that decides to lift mid-party. Before you know it, you're doing less partying and more lash wrangling, which is not how you want to spend your evening. That's why we're obsessed with these lashes. They're easy to apply, stay put all night, and you don't need to worry about gluing your eyes shut. They're practically foolproof. And once they're on, they're on. So you can dance, cheer, and ring in the new year without fear of a lash mishap. Our top choice is the Lashes Effortless Kit from Velour. The best thing about this kit is that it's perfect for beginners, since there's no trimming required. You'll also get a handy lash applicator to help you fasten them with precision. Plus, you can also use it to comb and smooth your lashes and brows, or even tweeze any unruly hairs. When it comes to your eye look, your lashes are only the cherry on top. But before that, we'll want to go in with some amazing eyeshadow. The Eternal Eclipse palette from Lunar Beauty is a New Year's Eve's makeup superstar. It's got warm and cool tones, all of them in bold shades. It also has 8 shimmer or glitter shades, so you can add a little sparkle to your look. Once you've got down your shadow and liner, I recommend a cat eye for a big statement look. Just secure your lashes and you're good to go. Our last New Year's Eve mishap is the cakey foundation fiasco. A flawless complexion is the key to any great makeup look. But our late night New Year's Eve plans have a way of turning that dreamy, airbrushed effect into a cakey mess. As the hours wear on, our foundation can start to settle into lines and creases and even start to flake. Meet the foundation that works overtime, the Liquid Re-Evolve Foundation from RMS Beauty. This gem of a product has skin-loving ingredients that give you a fresh, easy-to-blend formula. It isn't too heavy, giving us medium coverage with a nice satin finish. This formula also hydrates, firms, and softens your skin. It's also enhanced with RMS's signature herbal blend formulated to promote your overall skin wellness. It's the ultimate hybrid between beauty and skincare and ensures that you won't be dry and cakey when the clock strikes midnight. Now that we've got the right stuff to make sure we don't run into any of these makeup faux pas, there's still a few things we can do to prep for the big night. First, we're gonna hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. In addition to your usual moisturizer, you'll probably want a little something extra to keep your skin conditioned all night long. The Dragon's Blood Jelly Eye Patches will absolutely do the trick. They'll help lock in moisture and visibly soothe your skin for a plump, healthy appearance. Next, lay a flawless base with the Poreless Putty Primer from E.L.F. It has a velvety texture that effortlessly glides over your skin. This helps by smoothing over imperfections and minimizing the appearance of pores. It also protects your skin, grips makeup for all-day wear, and helps prevent moisture loss. Finally, a key player in your New Year's Eve look, the Lime Crime Lip Primer. We're quick to use a face primer, so why should our lips be any different? This genius product makes sure your lipstick game stays strong all night. It creates a sheer, smooth base that extends the life of your favorite lipstick or lip gloss. It doesn't alter your lipstick finish either, which is a big plus. This New Year's Eve, it's all about keeping your look fresh for that big countdown. So grab some of these top products and get ready to kick off the new year in style. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found it helpful and informative, and that you feel ready to step into the new year with bold and beautiful confidence. If you still have questions or want to talk to someone about the best tips and tricks for nailing your look, we'd love to help you find the right products. Stop into any JCPenney and our beauty experts will help you find the right products for your style. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay up to date on all things makeup, hair, and skincare at JCPenney. Got big New Year's Eve plans? Tell us which of these products you'll be using in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.